Hi, hello to everyone. This is Dr. Satheesh Kumar, working as an associate professor in the Department of Information Technology at the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in this session, just I am going to tell about the introduction to non-monotic reasoning in artificial intelligence. Okay, so let us start. So what the overview of this today's session means, the definition of the what is the concept of the non-monotic reasoning in artificial intelligence, some basic concepts. So why we are going for that non-monotic reasoning concepts in artificial intelligence? With example, just we will see. Okay, so first, what is the reasoning in artificial intelligence? Okay, so before we are going to see the monotonic reasoning, just first we have to come to know what is a reasoning in artificial intelligence. Just we have seen the various problem solving techniques in artificial intelligence. So in that we are going to apply some basics knowledge to solve a problem. Okay, so basic knowledge means before going to solve one particular critical problem, just we are going to gather some information or input based on that problem inputs, right? Just we are going to find some appropriate solution based on your problem statement. Okay, so that is the problem solving. So here the reasoning is, so what is the reasoning in artificial intelligence? Just the reasoning is the mental process of deriving a logical conclusion and making prediction from available knowledge. Okay, here just we are going to tell that the mental process of deriving a logical. Okay, just we have here some problem statement, just we are going to take some expressions, okay, to solve it, some algorithms, some methods, just we are going to take to solve some critical problems. Okay, in that just we are going to say making some predictions, right? Just we are going to collect some number of inputs based on your problem statement. Then we are going to make some decision based on your collected input, that is based on your knowledge of fact and belief. Okay, so otherwise one more way just we are going to tell about the reasoning is a way that infer a fact from existing data. Okay, so just we are going to gather some information, the previous solution, previous conclusion or previous knowledge. Okay, so that is also the reasoning in artificial intelligence just we are going to use. Okay, so it is a general process of thinking rationally to find the valid conclusion. Just we are going to predict some output based on your knowledge or older data. Okay, so that is the reasoning in artificial intelligence. Just various types are there in the reasoning in artificial intelligence. Okay, can be divided into the following categories. The first one is deductive reasoning. Okay, the second one is inductive reasoning. The third one is abductive reasoning. The fourth one is common sense reasoning. The fifth one is monotonic reasoning and non-monotonic reasoning. So these are the various types just we have in reasoning in artificial intelligence. Just we are going to use these two types, especially in reasoning in artificial intelligence, to solve the critical problem using the basic knowledge or gathered information. Right, so first we will see what is the monotonic reasoning, and second one just we will go for non-monotic reasoning. Okay, so in artificial intelligence they have used only the non-monotic reasoning concept to solve a critical problem based on your collected information about collected data or collected knowledge. Right, so first just what is the non-monotic reasoning. So this one is the introduction about the non-monotonic. First we will go for the monotonic reasoning. Before that just we are going to take simple lesson on the non-monotonic reasoning. So what is the non-monotonic reasoning is based on the classical logic, but it is a new logic developed exclusively by the worker in artificial intelligence. Okay, so how we are going to create one new classical logic means already is available data, already available knowledge, available information. Based on that we are going to create a new classical logic. Okay, so that is a non-monotonic reasoning. Just I will tell you later what is a non-monotonic and with the example. Okay, so here it is significant a departure from the views of a logical and philosophers concerning the human and the reasoning. Okay, so now just we are going to see about what is a monotonic reasoning in artificial intelligence. Okay, so the monotonic, just everyone knows that what is a monotonic and a non-monotonic. The monotonic is slight change. Okay, so monotonic means it will change day by day. So, for example, the weather condition day by day it will change. Remember, today is somewhat is cold, tomorrow is somewhat warm, the day after tomorrow somewhat hot. Like this, the weather continuously it will be change. We can't predict. So this one is a monotonic. The monotonic racing is a process of does not change its direction. Oh, sorry. The monotonic means is does not change. Okay, it is a constant. If it is a car name is a car means a car only. Just a bike name is we will call as always a bike. In a cycle, just we are always call cycle. Okay, so like that, so just we are going to tell the monotonic reasoning. Okay, so this does not change its direction, or can say it is a move in the one direction. East to west, sun will arise the east and it will shut down in the west. Like this, just we are going to constantly we are going to give the one state movement. That is a monotonic reasoning. The monotonic reasoning will move in the same direction continuously, means it will either move in the increasing order or a decreasing order. That's the same one. The first one and second point is the same one. Okay, next one is the but seems monotonic reasoning depends on the knowledge and the fact. Okay, how we are going to tell that sun will arise in east, it will set on the west based on the knowledge. Okay, daily just we are going to see that the sun is rising in the east and it on the west. Like this, just we are going to based on the knowledge, based on the experience, just we are going to tell, right? So that is the monotonic reasoning on a knowledge and a fact. So it will only increasing and it will never and decreasing in the result. Once it is the sun arises in the east, it will increase, it will not go down, right? So that is the concept of the monotonic reasoning. Example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, just everyone knows that the sun will be rises in the east, it will be set in the west. So this one is here the monotonic reasoning in artificial intelligence. It's a basic concepts. Okay. Next one just we will see. About non-monotonic reasoning. Okay, so this concept only just we are going to use to solve some critical problem in artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is non-monotonic reasoning? The non-monotonic reasoning is a process that changes the direction or value as a knowledge basis increases. Okay, so based on your problem statement, based on your the values, okay, and that continuously it will be changed, right? So that is a non-monotonic reasoning in artificial intelligence. So it is also known as NMR, that is non-monotonic reasoning in artificial intelligence. Just we will simply the short form of the non-monotonic reasoning is NMR. Okay, so non-monotonic reasoning will increase or decrease based on the condition, or based on the data, or based on the values, or based on your knowledge. Okay, since that non-monotonic reasoning depends on the assumption, it will change itself with the improving knowledge or fact. Okay, so why we are going to choose non-monotonic reasoning in the artificial intelligence means just if you are having a problem based on the size of the problem. Okay, if you have some problems have big size, some problems have the small size. Okay, so based on the problem statement, just we are going to choose which method is suitable, which algorithm is suitable for solving a critical problem in artificial intelligence based on these non-monotonic reasoning concepts. Okay, so what is an example of this non-monotonic reasoning? Consider the bowl of water. If you put in the stove and turn the flame on, it will observably boil. It observably boil hot, and as we will turn off, a flame will cool down gradually. Okay, just once you hot the water and keep in the table, okay, automatically the heat will be decreasing. Okay, without a flame or without heating that one, automatically it will decrease. Everyone knows that this is the continuous changes. Everyone knows that the changes will be happen after flaming some a bowl of water. Okay, so this is the best example for non-monotonic reasoning in artificial intelligence. And the next one is the non-monotic reasoning deals with the problem deriving conclusions, but not inflammable from a knowledge base. Okay, the set of formulas just it will act based on your knowledge. Okay, and the problem statement. Okay, so the next one is, since the conclusion are not certain, it may, because it's not certain means it will not constant. Okay, it will continuously, it will change. Sometime based on the problem size or problem statement, the conclusion will be, the predicted output will be a change. Okay, so some optimal output or some feasible output will be come under this non-monotic reasoning. Okay, it must possible to react on some of them if you information so that they are wrong. Okay, sometime based on your problem statement of your predicted conclusion or predicted solution will be the wrong. Okay, so that is a drawback of this non-monotic problem is just we can't tell that our optimal solution will be produced based on your problem statement. Okay, the classical logic in Aeronautical, since the monotonic, if your formula B is removed from a set of formula S. Okay, and then B is always delivered from any the superset of yes. Okay, if having a problem statement B, just we are going to take a some set of solutions from yes. Okay, that's the concept of the non-monotic. So here C belongs to the Bible is yes. Okay, then intersection of A Bible is of B for any formula A. So this one is a simple statement that you are going to determine or define the non-monotic reasoning in artificial intelligence. Right, so the example, okay, so this one is a best example for the non-monotic reasoning. Okay, the first example is typically bird is a fly. Just everyone knows that a birds will be flying in the sky, right? The next one is a penguin do not fly. The penguin is always in the water, it can't fly. Okay, so here the tweety is a bird. Okay, just everyone knows that the tweety is a bird, just we can't say that any animals are like this. All right, so it is a plausible that conclude that tweety files. Okay, however, if the following information is added to the knowledge base, right? So here this one is here a wrong statement. How tweety is a penguin, because already we given the statement tweety is a bird. Okay, the real fact is tweety is a bird. Just we can't tell that tweety is a penguin. Okay, so penguin is a one type of that animal. It will in the water. Okay, so this one is here wrong. Okay, so in this way, sometimes the predicted output or predicted function it will be goes to a wrong manner in the non-monotonic reasoning. Okay, the previous conclusion must be retracted, and the instant that new conclusion tweety does not fly will be hold. Okay, so this is the best example for the we have to explain the non-monotic reasoning in artificial intelligence. Okay, so you see here the statement typically A. Okay, that can read as the in the absence of the information to the controller C, assume A. Okay, so what are the problem statement? Just we are going to take based on the problem statement. Just we are going to collect some knowledges about the particular problems. Okay, based on the knowledges, just we are going to predict some conclusion. So if you are having some problem statement that we are going to be typically just we are going to define in the EA. Okay, the problem is to define the precise meaning in the absence of information to the contrary. Right, the next one is the meaning could be there is nothing in knowledge base that is inconsistent with the assumption of A. Okay, that problem based on that problem statement, just we are going to collect some knowledge just based on your input data or old data, right? So other interpretation are possible. Okay, so here just we can't tell that a feasible solution will be produced by the non-monotic reasoning, right? So other possibility solution also is possible based on your knowledge base. Okay, so different interpretations are gives rise to the different non-monotic logics. So based on your problem statement, just we are going to give the some predict the solutions. Okay, So these are all the textbook of that non-monotonic reasoning. Just I have collected some information from this textbook and some reference book. So these are all the some different web references just I have used to collect the more information for giving the more knowledge about the non-monastic reasoning. Just if you having any doubts, just post in the comment box. Just I will eagerly waiting for to clarify that all your doubts. So we will see the next one with the new topic. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.